We have a lot of websites out there that you can register and apply for work from home jobs and earn in dollars. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to register in one of the best platforms out there, Weworkremotel.com. I'm going to walk you through how to register on it, how to apply for jobs, how to optimize your profile, and land your first job directly from the comfort of your zone. Please kindly help me subscribe to the channel, like this video, and you can give me your questions in the comment section. I will attend to them. Now let's come to Google. And when we come to Google, we are going to type weworkremotely.com. Sorry, I didn't type the right thing. Weworkremotely.com. And then we are going to click on weworkremotely.com, do the first link, and it's going to open this platform to us. You can see that it has a lot of companies that are advertising here, and it has a lot of jobs. But before you apply for all these jobs, you have to sign up. So we come to sign in, and we don't have an account yet, so we are going to click on create one. So we are going to click on create one, and it's going to ask us, do you want to find a job and sign up, or want to hire talent? We want to find jobs, so we click on this, and then we are going to click on this. All right, so you can put your email, put your password, and all of that, which is best, but the simple way to do is to register with your Google account. All right, so we just come to register with Google account, and then it's going to open up, and then I'm going to sign up with the email I want to sign up with. You can do this from your phone, you can do this from anywhere. All right, and my account is set up directly. Of course, you can see my account. What about my account? Of course, you can see, but this is Brandon Navigia Dennis, so I cannot change it to Dennis. That is Dennis. This is now the aspect of optimizing your profile, right? Optimizing your profile. All right, what is your job status? I am actively looking for job. Please, you are here to look for job. What's your experience level? I have up to 3-4 years experience, so I'll choose 3. And then what's your preferred? Let's say from 10,000 if you're a newbie. For me, I'm not a newbie, so I'll choose this one. And then what's your job title? Let's say I'm a customer support specialist. Remember, whatever you put here is what they will be giving you, right? Of course, you can see work experience and all of that. But one thing I want you to understand is, let's upload a CV. Let's upload our CV. So we'll come here, and then of course you should be able to have this CV on your phone already. All right, so the CV is going to come, and then the CV is supposed to auto-fill all this area, right? So let's see. The CV is here already. So okay, yes, please email me a free resume review. We don't want that for now, please. And then of course you can see that all this information here, account created successfully. Of course, let's see. Let's go to next. Okay, they have not allowed us to go next because our CV is not. Now, all these work experience are the work experiences you have on your CV. The CV is just uploaded. So let's say you have a work experience in TradeWave, for example. You are going to put TradeWave customer support specialist. Which month do you do it? Let's say we did it in April. Let's say this is what is in your 2023, and then the end date was in February, and then it was in 2024. All right, so what of the end date? End date is April. I've choose this, and then I've choose this as well. All right, I currently work here. No, I don't currently work there, because if you currently work there, you will not get this job. All right, so we are seeing there job description. All right, show, don't tell, add a paragraph. Let's say I did well. Please, your own should be something. Go to your CV, copy the descriptions there, and always add there. All right, if you have more experience, you can add more experience, but for now we are done with this first page, and then we are going to go there. Please, this thing you see me doing, I'm not taking my time to do it because this is a video and I don't want it to be long. Please take your time to do it, because the first thing the recruiter does is that once you apply for job, he comes here to look at your profile. This is very, very important, so you don't need to play over it. You can spend some hours here just to ensure that it looks good. What's your category? My category is customer support. All right, my skill is client relationship manager. Then region, you likely work anywhere in the world. Yes, anywhere in the world. All right, if you want to work only in UK, why not? And then what's your time zone? My time zone is, I'm from Africa, so I'm gonna type anything that relates with Africa, right? So work authorized. Are you authorized to work in the US? Yes, I'm authorized. Will you now or in the future require sponsorship for visa status? Kindly, or if you don't want, you can just leave it, and then now view your jobs. Now you are done with optimizing. You are now supposed to be viewing your jobs. But we are not done yet, because I'm going to show you one more. So let's look at the other aspect. You can connect your LinkedIn account. Now, if you are a professional career person, you're looking to apply for jobs here, you need to have a LinkedIn account. This is very important. Most time recruiters will ask you for a LinkedIn account and you need it, right? So you just have to come here, create. You can check my YouTube video. YouTube, I will put a link on the description where how you can create a LinkedIn account and optimize it. Then you can click here with a button and it's going to be optimized. It's going to be connected. All right, so let's do it. I'll come here, click on it, and then you're going to see this is my password. Yes, I can sign in. So that's to allow, yeah, to allow LinkedIn sign in. Allowed, and then sign in again. Allowed, and then of course my LinkedIn is verified, complete. All right, so you're going to be seeing the marketplace, you're going to be seeing curated jobs, and then you're going to be seeing some saved jobs. All right, so you're going to see some support. If you have any issue, you can sign out and all of that. So this is how the platform looks like. So now let's come to jobs. Come to jobs, and then we are going to come to all jobs, or you can actually go directly and look for customer support or any role. All right, you can see that these are the jobs. All right, these are the jobs. Now let's come back to our profile and dashboard. Before we do everything, let's come back to our dashboard. Sorry, settings. And then you can see that this is how every of our thing looks like. So if anything here is not correct, you can actually correct it and then save your changes. So please ensure that you do everything here. There are some things you need to set up here properly, which I don't want this video to be long. You can just do it here. All right, this even, I think there's a way of adding a picture, so you can just go through it, navigate. But that is when you have a pro account, but it's not necessary. All right, so now let's come to jobs. Come to jobs, and then come to all jobs, and then of course you scroll down, executive assistant, freelance writer, real-time analyst. Let me look for one that I will teach you how to apply. Now client sources. Now this one is new, so I'm going to click on OK, and then you can see that this is the job description. You can see that everything here is looking so good. So you're going to check by your right hand side, and you're going to see how to apply for this job. All right, so you can now click on apply and then start applying. But now let's click on another one. Let's say remote part-time focus group analyst. No, call center representative. I like this one 6 days ago. And then you can see that we have this instance. So all you have to do is click on it and then you have to apply for job. These are a lot of jobs here. Then we have a lot of jobs here that you can actually apply and work directly from home. This is one of the best platforms out there. I love it, and that is why I'm recommending it for you. Please kindly help me subscribe, like this video, and of course share it to your fellows to be able to benefit from this. Thank you.